Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a quick review on Trendsi. Now, as you can see, before we can get in there we have to actually create an account, but it's for free so you can sign up. So in case you want to see practicals, you have to actually sign up. But I can tell you what's about. Trendsi is a fashion drop shipping platform designed to simplify the process of selling fashion products online without the need to manage inventory. So the core functionality is drop shipping, product sourcing, order fulfillment, branded invoices, and returns handling. They offer a 7-day free return policy for both you and your customers, simplifying the returns process. Now, the key advantages are no upfront inventory cost at all. You don't need to invest in bulk inventory, reducing financial risks and improving your cash flow. Also, no minimum order quantities for drop shipping. You can sell single items without having to meet minimum purchase requirements. Also, it has time saving automation, real time inventory and order syncing with your online store, primarily Shopify. Automates many processes, saving you time and reducing errors. Also, we have quality assurance, fast shipping, because orders from the US warehouses typically ship within 2 to 5 business days. We have easy integration, the seamless integration with Shopify, which allows for a one-click product import. There's also automatic updates, so product information includes stock levels automatically updated in your store. And lastly, fast restocking. Trendsi focuses on quickly restocking popular items to prevent lost sales. We also have some additional features like open pack wholesale. For some products, you can buy wholesale with a low minimum quantity. Like example, 6 pasta in mixed sizes. Trendsi can also fulfill these wholesale orders for you. There's also private labeling, where selected styles can be private labeled with your brand name and logo on hang tags and sewn in labels. There's also custom packaging. There's also price rules. There's local pickup option. If you have a physical store, Trendsi can ship orders directly to you for customer pickup. There's product media. There's sample ordering. You can easily order samples before selling a product. There's community and support, where you have access to a seller community for support and collaboration along with responsive customer service. Also made to order services, and lastly sourcing services. If you cannot find a specific fashion product, Trendsi can help source it for you. So in essence, what I'm saying is that Trendsi aims to be a comprehensive solution for fashion e-commerce businesses, handling the complexities of sourcing, inventory, and fulfillment so you can focus on marketing and sales. So just take my word for it. Please go on this website, trendsi.com, sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, email or phone number, and it's free. And once you get in, you see everything we're talking about.